question that we've been asked is sometimes an invoice in uLaw does not work. And let's do one and show you. Here I'm going to do a quick pre-bill. Okay. When I do a pre-bill, what uLaw does is it basically goes on another screen, and you will see in a few moments, it'll just tell you that it cannot do a pre-bill. And the reason why it says it cannot do a pre-bill is because probably one of the unbilled dockets, in this case this one, has something that we are not able to process. Let me just quickly try and do a pre-bill without description. If I just undo this and if I do a preview, the exact same pre-bill, I'm able to do it, right? Like, as you see here, in a second or two, I'll get the pre-bill. There you go. And I'm able to open that, right? Like, as you see here, I have everything. So that means there's a problem in the description. So how do I fix it? The problem is I need to go and find that description where I might have probably cut and pasted some font or something like that. And here's one example. As you see here, I pasted some images and done some stuff that probably the uLaw invoice is not able to process. How do I fix that? All I need to do is just click on this AI tool, and I can do like a grammar correction or something like that. If I do that, what uLaw will do is it'll fix all the stuff that is not required in this, and it will give me a summary saying, hey, that's all you need. And if I make that the description, apply and do the change. So now what uLaw has done is it's cleaned up the description, put only stuff that is required. And now if I do a pre-bill with the description, I shouldn't have any problem. Everything should come clean. So again, to summarize, what we have seen is sometimes you will get this screen that, uLaw is not able to generate an invoice. You might get something like that. And the reason is because it was not able to understand the description that you put. And our suggestion is you go to uLaw, click on the description that that is there, use AITools, cleanse it by using grammar correction or something like that, where you can just correct the grammar, which will also fix the font. And once you've done that, everything should be fine.